Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video, we will unbox a new Nokia C31, and this is a new budget phone from Nokia in the Pakistan market, and this phone is costing around 28,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have a 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the mint color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. In this price range, we are getting a really good specification on this phone, which is very hard to tell about Nokia phone in the Pakistan market. So this phone has a 5050 mAh battery size with a 10-watt charging support, and the processor on this phone is a Unisoc ST9863A, which is based on 28nm architecture. Yes, and the processor architecture, it is not really great on this phone, but another that we have a 13 megapixel main camera on the back and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. This phone has a 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60 Hz refresh rate. We also have a fingerprint scanner on the back, which you don't find in this price range in the Pakistan market. This phone is running on Android 12. We have 4G LTE and VoLTE ready. So very excited to see that how is a Nokia C31 is gonna looks like in the mint color. So when you open the box, we have 1-year warranty card, and you can see, so here is our device, Nokia C31. So now let's start the phone from this box, and you can see here is the Nokia C31 looks like. And guys, you can see that here is the Nokia C31 looks like in the mint color, and the back is made up of plastic, and the frame also is made up of plastic. So we have a speaker grill on the back, not on the bottom. That's really disappointing on this phone, but we have fingerprint scanner and a triple cameras on the back. Again, we have a 13 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And guys, now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So first thing we have a simulation tool. Inside there we have a quick start guide as well as a safety information. Also we are getting a soft silicone case with this device. And guys, this phone has a micro USB support, which is a really disappointing in 2022. In 2023 we should see type C. So here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 10-watt adapter. This phone does not support any kind of fast charging, so no fast charging. We have hands-free with Nokia C31, which you don't find from any other brand inside the box. And now let's look at the Nokia C31. So let me show the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have a micro USB port, main microphone. So on this side we have SIM tray. So now let's check out SIM tray on this phone. So we have a triple slot. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. No rubber inside the SIM tray. On the top we have headphone jack. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button. So on the back, again, I really like the design language of this phone. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size and a 6.7 inch display, and that combination and with this weight, it feels really good in hand. And guys, here is the display of the Nokia C31. So this phone has a 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60 Hz refresh rate, and right from the start I can see the blooming, and you can see from the bottom, if you can see, as you can see. So that's really disappointing about this display. But another that we have U-shaped notch, which is also really small, and the bottom chin, it is, I would say, really average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And the fingerprint scanner, it is also not really fast. It takes almost 1.5 seconds sometimes. So guys, all I have to say regarding the Nokia C31, and the display size, it is really good, and the battery size also really good, and with Android 12 that's also good. But the performance and the display blooming, the cameras, it is not that great on this phone. If you want a best smartphone in this price range, if you expand your budget, you will get a Infinix Note 12 that comes with Helio G88 SoC, the 6 GB of RAM variant. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Nokia C31. Nothing special about this phone this time, but I would say Nokia is improve a lot of things in this phone, but Nokia needs to improve more, like the speaker grill location, the processor and the display. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So leave your thoughts regarding the Nokia C31 in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.